Welcome to AI Evaluation. What if I told you there's now an AI that doesn't just help you with tasks, it designs the system that does the tasks for you? An AI that can create other AI agents, connect them to tools you already use, discover new systems automatically, and get them all working together, on demand, with nothing more than a simple instruction. This isn't science fiction. This is Abacus AI's deep agent after its massive new update. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it's changing automation forever. Then before this update, automations were like fixed train tracks. Once they were built, they were hard to change. Now, it's like having self-driving trains that can lay down their own tracks, reroute themselves instantly, and even add new stations without stopping. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how Deep Agent can build entire systems like CRMs, schedulers, or social media managers in minutes. Connect tools that were never designed to talk to each other. Update and evolve without rebuilding from scratch. And why this means we're entering a post-manual automation era. The old world of automation. Let's rewind for a second. Traditional automation tools, Zapier, Make, and others, have been powerful, but they work in static, predefined ways. You pick your trigger, set your action, connect the APIs, and hope you mapped everything correctly. Want to change something? You have to. 1. Edit the workflow manually. 2. Test it again. 3. Hope you didn't break something else. In short, you're still doing a lot of the work. The automation is just a helper. The Deep Agent Breakthrough. Here's where Abacus AI's Deep Agent changes the rules. With the latest update, you don't build the automation yourself. You describe the outcome you want, and Deep Agent creates multiple specialized agents on the fly, assigns each one a role in the process, connects them to your tools and data sources, keeps them running without oversight. It's like you're the CEO and Deep Agent is your operations manager who hires, trains, and coordinates the entire team instantly. And these agents aren't just clones following a script. They're adaptive, dynamic, and capable of adjusting to new tools or requirements in real time. MCP, the game-changing connector. The secret sauce here is something called MCP, Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, it lets Deep Agent connect systems that normally can't talk to each other. Imagine your analytics tool speaking a completely different language than your reporting software. Before, you needed a translator, a manual integration, a plugin, a custom API. Now, MCP lets Deep Agent auto-translate and sync data across these systems with zero effort. That means, if you've got isolated AI models, they can now feed into a single, coordinated workflow. Data flows consistently, without mismatches or formatting headaches. And your systems work as one instead of siloed parts. For companies drowning in disconnected tools, this is huge. Hands-on examples. Let's make this real. Example 1. Instant CRM creation. You go into Deep Agent's dashboard, select CRM, and boom, an entire CRM is built in the background. Contacts, leads, workflows, ready to go. Example 2. Data visualization by prompt. Type. Create a high-resolution chart showing monthly sales for 12 months with seasonal spikes in March and November. Y-axis in dollars, X-axis in months with shadow lines and grid annotations. Seconds later, you have the chart, ready to download. Want to change the year from 2024 to 2025? Just type it. Example 3. One-page PDF flyers. Need a flyer for small businesses with a dark background, a headline, and specific imagery? Deep Agent asks clarifying questions, then designs it. Want to change the colors from blue to purple and red? Done instantly. Example 4. Multi-agent workflow. Instead of just making a chart or a flyer, Deep Agent can combine them into a chain. Generate the flyer. Send it to a marketing platform. Schedule a social media post with the same visuals. track engagement analytics automatically. Adaptive, not static. Here's what's different from old tools. If one system changes, say you switch from Slack to Microsoft Teams, the workflow reconfigures itself with one instruction. If a new compatible system comes online tomorrow, Deep Agent can discover it automatically and add it to your workflow without starting from scratch. That's why this is future-proof automation. It's not locked into today's tools. It evolves with tomorrow's. Beyond business, endless use cases. Think about the possibilities. Marketing teams can run entire campaigns without touching design software, analytics dashboards, or schedulers. Operations teams can get reports generated, stored, and shared without touching raw data. Developers can set up complex integrations without writing a single bridge script. Educators could generate custom lesson plans, quizzes, and grading workflows automatically. Healthcare providers could coordinate appointment scheduling, patient data syncing, and follow-up reminders, securely and in compliance. And because every agent is generated on demand, nothing gets stale. The bigger picture, we're entering a new phase of AI, where it's not just doing tasks, it's designing the systems that handle the tasks. That's a huge leap. It's the difference between giving someone a fish, teaching them to fish, and then having them build an entire automated fishing fleet that runs itself. The old barrier, the complexity of setting up automation, is gone. All you need now is a clear goal, and Deep Agent reverse engineers the path to get there. This is more than an upgrade. This is the start of autonomous system design. So here's my question for you. When AI isn't just replacing tasks, but building the entire machine that runs them, what will you build first? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to hear them. If this blew your mind even half as much as it did mine, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks automation is just about templates.